Hello to all engineers and dear fellow friends. In this time I'm going to present a new application with the name of the MultiOffshore. What is the MultiOffshore? Multi-3D offshore gives designers and fabricators using AutoCAD powerful tools for modeling and detailed drawing production for even the most complex offshore structure. Multisuite it's the only Autodesk approved application that deals with the complex intersection pipe sections and prepares the fabrication details, material list, and CNC information in the accepted industry format. We have special advanced features in MultiOffshore. We can model a 3 and 4 leg jacket in the grid generation tools, and we can view 2D and 3D structure and 2D plane including sloping slide, 3D cone and solid plate node and irregular plate profiling, multiple intersecting pipe coping and export to CNC pipe and beam cutting. Automatic fabrication detailing for many types of fully welded deck beams and similar members. And you can see in this window we have a 3 parts in pipe presentation: 2D, 3D polymesh and 3D solid that we can generate in a pipe-to-pipe section. And here you can see the fabrication between the 2 pipes, and here also we can create a CNC output. Multisuite can show pipes cut back and either 2D as a 3D polymesh or hollow AutoCAD solids. We can see in Multisuite, we can say MultiOffshore, we can model 4-leg jacket. You can see from isometric, and you can see from the bottom. Also you can see from the side view and from the front view also. And here it's a beam-to-beam connection that we can use the notch command to fabricate beam-to-beam connection. Also you can see the and you can see the isometric view, the side view, and the top view of the 4-leg jacket. And this is the complete of the 4-leg jacket with the top side of the 4-leg jacket, which is a 4-leg jacket modeled and fabricated in Multisuite, and the top side modeled in AutoCAD 3D. And here you can see the pipe-to-pipe connection, and you can see the cutting back from the pipe-to-pipe connections here, and also from here, this part. And we have a wraparound template if you want to generate and send it to the CNC machine and all the data. And here it's a plan, and from the side view and from the pipe-to-pipe connection in isometric. Also you can see the connection in 2D. The Maersk line, it's the ship that the Multisuite contribute to generate a steel structure uh, in the in the top side of the ship here. In this part, you can see Multisuite participated in this part. Also, in this part, it's a 10th floor to the command bridge. Multisuite participated in the pipe-to-pipe connection and to the top of this building. And here also we have 11 cranes in the ship. So Multisuite generated 3D and 2D structure for this project. And also this one is the first trip, was with 30 crew. From the other side of the view of the 11 cranes, you can see. And this one is the engine project, which is the Multisuite participated for modeling in 3D multi-steel, and also which is we can say it's on site for the stairs, for the handrail, and for the steel structure. All fully modeled in Multisuite and generated shop drawing. And this one also is another view of the structure. Okay, thank you very much for your attention.